We've heard now a lot about the universe according to the theory of relativity, which seems quite strange that the universe should do all these strange things to make people observe the same speed of light. And so one can wonder, is the theory really true, or could it be that the theory is wrong and soon we'll discover that it wasn't this way after all? Here are some tests that confirm in very impressive ways that the theory of relativity is true, and which is the reason why physicists believe it, even if new facts may come. It seems clear that the theory of relativity is on the right track and that it says something true about the world. So here are some examples. Muons is a kind of particle that has a lifetime of 1.5 microseconds in proper time. That's a millionth of a second when they stand still, but the lifetime is 44 microseconds when they travel at 99.94% of light speed. This is in complete agreement with the theory of relativity. Since these are facts that are not just collected by random YouTube videos, I put up references where you can go and check, find the original experiments, etc. And the references and details are in the list of references in my book, which you can find online. Then there was the twin paradox we heard about with the twins, where the twin staying at home aged more than the twin traveling, and you can see a similar effect in vibrating iron atoms. The iron atoms that move faster than other iron atoms, they will also have internal processes that happen more slowly. So it shows that biological physical processes, they happen more slowly when they move faster relative to the other twin, you could say, twin atoms or twins. So it's a confirmation also of the theory of relativity. Maybe the most impressive and what many people have access to is when we navigate on maps on our smartphone, for instance. Then we depend on these GPS satellites that move. They orbit the Earth, and because they then move faster than the Earth, they have to be adjusted. The clocks, relative to our clocks, they must be adjusted so that they move 7,200 nanoseconds. That's 1 billionth of a second slower per day because of the speed, because they're faster, and they must be adjusted 45,900 nanoseconds. They must go faster each day because there's less gravity. That's in accordance with the general theory of relativity, which says that also time is influenced by the gravity. So this is then something that they have to do, otherwise the GPS, the maps wouldn't work. They would put you many meters off track, so that would be not very helpful when you're navigating through traffic. Other examples that you can Google to see how special relativity and general relativity have been confirmed are these that are mentioned at the bottom of the screen. So because then the theory of relativity explains all these empirical findings, but we have no other theory which can explain them. That's the reason why physicists accept that the theory of relativity is true.